Did you know that a tiny seed can transform your skin and hair? Flax seeds are small but mighty. They are packed with nutrients that benefit your whole body, inside and out. These little seeds are full of good fats, antioxidants, and fiber. This makes them a powerful ally for achieving glowing skin and strong, healthy hair. Flax seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Today, modern science confirms their amazing benefits. Whether you eat them or apply them topically, flax seeds offer a natural path to enhancing your beauty routine. Let's explore how to unlock the power of flax seeds for radiant skin and luscious locks. Flax seeds are a secret weapon against dull and tired skin. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to skincare. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the skin's natural barrier. These healthy fats work wonders in reducing redness, soothing irritation, and calming skin conditions like acne and eczema. Regular consumption can lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture and tone. Flax seeds are also rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to protect the skin from environmental stressors. Antioxidants fight free radicals, which damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can help combat these harmful effects. By protecting your skin from this damage, flax seeds help maintain a youthful and radiant complexion. They can be a key component in your anti-aging regimen. Flax seeds are a natural moisturizer too. Their hydrating properties can be a game changer for your skincare routine. They contain mucilage, a gel-forming fiber that keeps skin hydrated. This unique component helps to lock in moisture and maintain skin elasticity. This makes flax seeds especially beneficial for people with dry or sensitive skin. Their gentle nature ensures they are suitable for all skin types. Adding flax seeds to your diet or skincare routine can result in a smoother, plumper, and more supple complexion. Experience the transformative benefits of these tiny seeds for yourself. Flax seeds are not just good for your skin, they are hair heroes too. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to hair health. The same omega-3 fatty acids that benefit your skin also work wonders for your hair. They help to keep your scalp hydrated and reduce inflammation, which can lead to healthier hair growth. These essential fats nourish hair follicles, promoting stronger and healthier hair growth. By improving blood circulation to the scalp, they ensure that your hair gets all the nutrients it needs. If you struggle with hair breakage, flax seeds are your new best friend. They help to repair damaged hair and prevent further breakage, making your hair more resilient. They are rich in protein and fiber, which helps strengthen hair strands and prevent split ends. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can make a noticeable difference in the texture and strength of your hair. Regular consumption of flax seeds can lead to thicker, fuller, and more manageable hair. You'll find that your hair has more volume and is easier to style. Flax seeds can also add shine and luster to dull hair. They work from the inside out to give your hair a natural, healthy glow. The omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E in flax seeds work together to smooth the hair cuticle, making it more reflective and enhancing its natural shine. This combination not only makes your hair look beautiful, but also protects it from environmental damage. Incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine is incredibly easy and can be done in a variety of ways. You can add ground flax seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. This simple addition can enhance the fiber and omega-3 content of your meals, making them even healthier. Sprinkle them on salads or use them in baking to add a nutty flavor and extra fiber to your meals. Flax seeds can be incorporated into bread, muffins, and even pancakes, providing a subtle crunch and a wealth of nutrients. For a DIY hair treatment, create a flaxseed gel. This natural gel is not only cost-effective, but also free from harmful chemicals found in many commercial products. Boil flax seeds in water until it thickens into a gel-like consistency. This process usually takes about 10-15 minutes, and the result is a versatile gel that can be used in various hair care routines. Strain the gel and apply it to your hair as a styling gel or leave-in conditioner. It's perfect for defining curls and adding moisture to dry hair. This gel helps define curls, reduces frizz, and leaves your hair soft and shiny. Regular use can improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. Flaxseed oil is another great option for both skin and hair. Rich in essential fatty acids, it provides deep hydration and nourishment. You can add a few drops to your moisturizer or apply it directly to your skin for added hydration. It's especially beneficial for dry or sensitive skin, leaving it soft and glowing. For hair, Use it as a hot oil treatment or add a few drops to your shampoo for a boost of shine and nourishment. This can help strengthen hair and promote a healthy scalp. Start incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Whether you use them in your meals or beauty regimen, flax seeds are a versatile and powerful addition to your lifestyle.